Smile and Smile, and today we are in Goa and we'll show you a beautiful property view.
Friends, this property is a 5-star resort in Baga and is quite close to all major attractions of North Goa. The clubs, the beaches, the flea market and very famous night market.
So wanted to show you a beautiful view of and 3 diversions of the stairs here, which allows you to access the lobby very easily. So this has given a huge look to the complete lobby with the 3 diversions, and the staircase is also very beautifully designed with beautiful railing. So this gives a very good look, complete look to the area.
The property has 2 beautiful pools.
पूल का इतना सुंदर व्यू है, इतना सुंदर इसको डिज़ाइन किया गया है, और एक्सेसिबिलिटी इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इजी. So friends, look at this total entire view of this gazebo. This has many lights, and a beautiful dinner date is also planned in these areas. So every young couple or honeymooners like to have dinner on these cozy places. So this is also the one of the best place here. So this is my best, the place for this property where you can have a good romantic dinner plans with your partner. Now I would like you to take to a very interesting place.
Cafe Rio is a 24 hours cafe and lounge bar serving both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages.
Now look at the interior they have done. It's very nicely done, and they have very good staff. Cafe is open till for 24 hours, and the bar is open till midnight. I will take you to the restaurant now. This is by the name of Pickled Mango.
It has 4 restaurants. One is multi-cuisine, the Pickled Mango. Then there is Mamma Mia for pastas and pizzas. And there is another one by the name Agor for Goan food lovers. And then last but not the least, the 7-time award-winning pure vegetarian restaurant Jalsa, which serves the authentic Rajasthani and Gujarati vegetarian food.
See, look at the concept, the decor they have done for displaying their cakes and pastries. So you need not to go to any other bakery or having good pastries or cakes somewhere else. So friends, now the best part is they have a very good luxury spa also. So whenever you plan a trip or you come to Goa where you do a lot of water activities in which you get so much tired, then after that you feel like going for a good relaxing spa. So I am going for my spa. See you later.
The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this place. Yeah.
The major part we are going to talk about is our room stay. So the room we have booked for ourselves is the suite room. So this is the most beautiful and the luxurious room. So that now you can have a look yourself. It is very nicely done. Everything is coordinated so well that you will fall in love with this place. If you can see the accent designs they have used on the walls, the sofas, even on the sculptures, the vases, they are so well done. You will definitely love this place. So this is the best part of this property, that it has a very beautiful view. Now we are entering to our bedroom. So this has an exit from the lobby. And now you can take a look. This is so nicely done and it's so cozy they have made. It's a beautiful, beautiful bedroom. Everything is well coordinated and very well organized. From our bedroom also we have a very good access to the balcony. This is a very beautiful view. And from the bed you can enjoy the outside view also. Now I will take you to the best part of this suite room is its beautiful, beautiful design bathroom. It is not actually a bathroom, a very relaxing and a chill place where you can have a lot of fun and can enjoy like anything. So I would like to conclude on this property. So this Rio Resort is a huge property. This has almost 250 rooms and some more are coming. So actually there are different categories available. According to your budget and taste, you can always do the selection. And the basic room will be the deluxe room, and then it moves to the superior, and then the luxury, and then the royal suite, and then this has the villas also. So if you guys are planning to come up with families, like if 2-3 people or 2-3 groups of the people would like to visit together, so they can actually enjoy the time in the villas. And they are coming up with the apartments also. So definitely I would suggest this property to be booked, and I hope that you like this property a lot. The view, the show around which we have shown it. Hope you guys like the show around, and see you guys soon here. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel so that we keep coming up with new properties and new places.